Good morning, Akash. Good morning. So let me just check audio and visual right now. Okay. So everything looks good. So welcome to the stream, guys. This is Bank Nifty Index Futures September's chart. Okay. And yes, now it's a new month starting in 1 or 2 days. Okay. If you go to the monthly chart, then be ready for some good price action, because if we close like this, then most probably there are very high chances that we may go bullish and trade for this fair value gap. Once this candle closes right here, then be ready to see a upside move for this fair value gap. So September starting will be nice. Okay, on hourly time frame, if you see, this was the premium wick daily and VI daily. Okay, let me show you on daily chart. So see this thing here, this is the wick, this is the volume balance, this is the consequent encroachment of the wick. Okay, if you have to mark, if you want to mark this CB, you can definitely go ahead and mark that. Okay, but right now I'm marking this one. And if you go on to the hourly chart, so market has opened here now. So on hourly chart, we disrespected this wick CE and VI daily also. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting attack on this sell side liquidity, and then this imbalance to be mitigated. Then I'll just wait for the market to show me what it wants to do right here. Okay, like it can move up, or it can attack this relative equal lows here. Whatever it wants to do, I just wait for the price to reach here for now. Okay, let's go to 1 minute chart. On 1 minute chart, if you see, we are opening here. If you see any liquidity here, then what you can do is go to the 5 minute chart. See this relative equal lows, this relative equal lows. So yes, sell side is looking good to me. People are mostly looking to long because Nifty is at all-time highs. Okay, but let's see how it goes. We had this trend line phantom type of thing here, and it has given the breakout, so maybe retracement in upside is possible. Okay, and the retracement can be of uh, can be till this imbalances here. Okay, so what can we expect is firstly this one, then this one. This can be expected. Otherwise, I can also use the new day opening gap. Okay, so this is the new day opening gap of new week opening gap. So that's a new week opening gap. CE level here. Okay, CE here. You see how we are taking support from the C level. just marking this, naming this level so that any new viewer can understand what is this. Beautiful, beautiful support from here. Let's go to the 1 minute chart now. This is how I wanted to see price first attacking some buy side liquidity, then we'll see if it wants to move to the downside or not. We also have this small nude opening. This is very small. I don't care about this nude opening gap, but I can mark it. Okay, that's approximately 5-6 points nude opening gap. My focus draws to this highs here. Okay, see this relative equal highs. This is the buy side liquidity. There are some imbalances here. This is the last value gap. If price, okay, that's not the last value gap, that's the entry value gap here, and this is the last value gap here. So maybe let's see, this buy side can be uh, left, or this can be protected here. Okay, because we had this relative equal lows here. This one is not yet attacked, but this one is attacked. And if I want to go to the 3 minute chart, if your 1 minute chart imbalances are not clear, just move ahead a one time frame above. Okay, and you will get a more clear picture. So in this price run, what I can see is this whole liquidity void. So this is the whole liquidity void thing here. To be more precise, what I can mark here is we have this small imbalance, but let's just go with this one. If it wants to go, it can definitely attack this this relative equal highs. Okay, this relative equal highs, and that will be a more better opportunity for us to, if I get a short opportunity, then that will be more better thing. Okay, so this relatively equal highs, and then my focus will shift to some imbalances here. Okay, go to the 3 minute chart. What I can see here is this imbalance only. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's measure the move here. It is approximately 150 points move on futures chart. We are constantly taking support at new week opening gap. Yes, because we are trading above new week opening gap, so it is supporting us. Once the bearish order flow starts, it will reject us. Okay, as you said, I started watching 2022. Good one. Go ahead and complete it, and please like the stream, everyone. So on 15-minute chart, if you see, we had this CB here. Okay, although we didn't took any rejection from there, but uh, I'll be marking this inversion also. Okay, attack the buy side liquidity here. Nifty is looking little weak here for now. Okay, but it can come to strength because it is at the all-time highs. Okay, and if we look to short the market as at all-time highs, then definitely we have to be more careful. Okay, because Nifty is at all-time highs here. This blue box, that's the 15-minute last value gap. I'm removing this buy side liquidity, and now my focus shifts to this C level, this low, and this high of this 15-minute CB. Okay, so the C level here will be an important level for me. I don't want to see price trading through it. Okay, because if it trades through this, okay, my focus directly shifts to this side. Then I'll be not interested to take any short. I'll be interested to go long for this buy side liquidity. But since we are above the 915 open here, okay, we are in premium market. What is this? This red box? That's the new day opening gap of, what is the date? Date today, 29 August. If you see, this market opened, came below, went to deliver the buy side liquidity. No sell side has been still offered to this new day opening gap. So when the market will start to fall, I can target this new day opening gap here. Nifty is also kind of trying to go up in upside. Okay, because if you see here, all this liquidity pool has been attacked. Okay, who are now going long? Okay, you just have to look for that and you will get many answers. Who are going long here? You see this trend line? See this trend line? All these people are trying to go long here. Do you think they will make easy money here? Just ask yourself. Just ask yourself. I personally don't think so. Like, they will make money. If they make money, then they will not make huge money. I know, because after this buy side again, I will expect any kind of sell in the market. Okay, so my right now my focus shifts to this CB only. What will be your change in state of delivery here? Then you can mark that change in state of delivery with inversion fair value gaps or the up close candles. Okay, the highest up close candle here is this candle, and this I can mark this thing as the change in state of delivery. So yesterday, as you can see here, yesterday on August future chart, how huge the first 915 candle was. On September Bank Nifty futures chart, it is all cool. Okay, so yeah, we should toggle our screen to different charts. I'm gonna mark yesterday's new day opening gap. sorry, Tuesday's new day opening gap also. If you see here, we have that new day opening gap. That's Tuesday's new day opening gap. Market opened above the CE and this new day opening gap high. Let's see how it closes. Opening doesn't matter. I want to see how it closes. If it closes above, we will see some support from this high new day opening gap high. If it closes below, we'll we have we have to wait for this change in state of delivery. Now my change in state of delivery will go to this up close candle. Okay. No, new day opening apps are all also good. You just have to know how to use them. Okay, you have to understand how to blend PDRS with new day opening app. Okay, like we have this CB here along with this new day opening app. This will be an inversion. Okay, and that high will be your crucial support for the market. Then if you want to go long, you have to use that. Okay, that's how you can use. Moving on to the 15-minute chart, we have a new 15-minute candle opening here. Okay, and yeah, it is going bullish to attack this buy side liquidity. Ask yourself if you have any entries right in this price lag. In this price lag, no entries. No entry is valid in this price lag. Nothing is valid. Here you have 1 minute last CB inside the 15-minute order block. But since it is going for this buy side liquidity, all this should be disrespected if it is going for this buy side liquidity. This buy side and then this buy side. Above that, what we can do is we have this liquidity pool here again, relatively equal highs here, relatively equal highs here. So yeah, let's see. Even if I want to go long now, I'll get my entry. Don't worry. See the open the 15-minute chart and you will have some kind of PDRA to go long. Okay, if the market is bullish. If market is not bullish, then I'm just removing the CB here. Okay, the new day opening gap is sufficient here to serve my purpose. See, we have the CB here, sorry, BC here, including the volume balance and this new day opening gap high. This is the part where you have to understand how you can utilize this new day opening gap high. Okay, if this new day opening gap high is supporting you or it is rejecting you, then you will know that. Since we are above new week opening gap high, we are above the today's new day opening gap, we are at this new day opening gap of Tuesday. What I can expect is when a run will start, new day opening gap to new day opening gap, new day opening gap to new week opening gap. It is possible. Okay, it is possible. If you have to mark anything else, then what I can do is I think every new week opening gap or new day opening gap I have on my charts of this week. Okay, at least of this week. Previous week is not very important because it is all in discount area. Okay, right now we are in premium market. What we can utilize is this premium new day opening gaps. Some we have some kind of SMT at highs. Okay, and this is the reaction from this last CB. Okay, am I going short right here? No. Bro, don't use August future chart because isn't it expired now? Okay, use September chart. Hello Mohil, hello. See this candle, how this candle rejected from this new day opening gap. um, I love this type of rejection from this new day opening gap, including this inversion failing gap. I'm including the volume balance also here. Okay, if you don't want to, you can like this, but I will be including the volume balance. That's inversion failure gap. It rejected from here. Once a candle closes below, this should work as a order block. But isn't we have a liquidity pool here? Yes, we have liquidity pool, and that's the main reason we are not going short right here. Okay, once we close below this one here, that will be the breaker. Okay, this candle, this down close candle will be the breaker block. Right now it is a order block. Once we close below it, it will act as a breaker. See how can this candle totally flipped from here, from this 15-minute last value gap, including this order block. I can mark this order block like this one, and okay, this one is a better order block. This two up close candles. See this midpoint and mean threshold of the order block. Market didn't close above it. Okay, so it is for an understanding purpose only, because we have this last CB inside that. So this is a more refined version of a PDR, high time frame PDR. But still I am not interested in short right now. Okay, I am waiting. Okay, although we have this inversion failure gap, this is the first sign of change in state of delivery, but I'm not interested right now because I have this new day opening gap here. Once this new day opening gap makes any order block, that's an A plus setup for me and I can short. Watch this again, what I said. If this new day opening gap makes any order block, if this new day opening gap makes any PDRA, okay, in my direction, in the direction I want to see the price, that will be an A plus setup for me. Right now, if you see, there are no order blocks, no ferrule gaps from the reaction of this new day opening gap in bearish side. So I'm not interested to short the market. I'm not interested to short the market right here. That's how you use new day opening apps and new week opening apps. Blending PDRAs with new day opening apps. Hello Sankyu, hello, hello. So I'm literally loving the style of this style of using the new day opening apps and new week opening apps. Okay, see how we got support from this new week opening app C level. Did we expected it? Go back to the live stream, go to this beginning of live stream, what I said. I am bearish, like I want to see some sell side, but I want to see a retracement first. I want to see some attack on buy side relative equal highs firstly. From where? From this new week opening. Why isn't everyone looking for short from this trend line or kind of uh, resistance like this one? People already shorted, and what market does after giving retailers or after giving small profits to retailers, it moves against them. Okay, so it moves against them from this new week opening at CE level. Okay, we were in a discount, 9:15 open, came below, move out, move in upside. Is this a real move? No, no, that is just a Judas form for me. Okay, that is just a Judas form. Like, I'm not expecting. Okay, I will permit. I am giving the permission to the market that it can attack this buy side liquidity. Okay, then we will have this relative equalize, but I'm not interested in this because this market here looks so jagged. Okay, they're not smooth highs, they look very jagged. The only smooth highs I can mark here is this one. See this buy side liquidity, these are very smooth highs. Okay, but when market will reach for here, don't worry, we'll also go for this buy side liquidity. But right now I don't want to anticipate that things. Okay, I'm not interested in anticipating that things, because then, because above this highs everyone will go long. Okay, so market will firstly, it kicked out some short people, it will not try to kick out some long people, and then the real move will come. Okay, because Nifty is at all time highs. If you see this is Nifty chart, okay, this is the Nifty chart. Nifty is at all time highs here, made a double top kind of thing. We have huge liquidity here, we have huge liquidity here. This will act as a magnet. Okay, this will act as a magnet. It has also come down, it has attacked some lows. Okay, it has attacked some lows. If you see, these are the relative equal lows. This is a protected low, maybe this will be protected. So this, it has attacked this one. Now it's again time to move for the all time. It is possible, definitely 100% it is possible. We have this new day opening gap here. Market is taking support. When market takes support like this from new day opening gap, usually the day is trending. Okay, usually the day goes trending. Okay, any more confirmations here? Then move to the 5-minute chart. This was the inversion here. Be ready for this buy side liquidity. Okay, it can attack this liquidity 100%. There are very high chances it can attack. But since you have no setup in Bank Nifty, I have no setup in Bank Nifty. I only trade Bank Nifty. I don't press buttons on Nifty. If I have to press buttons on Nifty, here's my entry. This orange box is my entry. My stops below the new day opening gap C or this 5-minute inversion. What I can target, -2 standard deviations, -1.5 standard deviations. That's it. I don't care if it goes to loss. Setup is a setup. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'm coming. Okay, just 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back here. If you see right now, I'm removing this inversion here. My focus goes around this new day opening up only. Okay, how is it supporting us? Is there any valid PDRA to look for here? Then no. We do have this kind of SMT. Can I go short here? If I get any more confirmation, I can definitely short the market here. We're in a premium market. I don't want to go long. Okay, I don't want to go long. I'll be using this inversion only, but I'll mark it later on. Like right now also price has closed, tried to close below this inversion. If I mark from the wick, then yes, it has closed. Even it is showing some uh, like some kind of reaction from this new day opening up high also, that it wants to go low, go lower side. Okay, but let's see. I'm still waiting. This is not a huge confirmation for me. What will be the confirmation for me when market goes below this high? Sorry, below this low. It will be a huge confirmation for me that yeah, market is not trying to trade for some sell side. Okay, this is not the trade I am in. Okay, this is I've just marked this. Okay, I just marked this. We still have some time for morning volatility. Okay, maybe we will just attack this bicep, because this is also relatively equal highs. This SMT, if you see, this is also relative equal highs. Let me mark that. This is relatively equal highs buy side liquidity, which is a minor liquidity, but it is a liquidity. And this is just, we are giving some reactions from this last CB. CB can be broken. We may attack this buy side and this buy side here. But I am bearish, so I'm not going long. Okay, because I want to trade a short trade today. Okay, I don't want to trade a long one today. I want to take a short trade today, so I'll be just waiting. Okay, right now everything is bullish, and this is now a good confirmation. Okay, market is trying to break this swing low. If it closes below, that means yeah, it is trying to give us some structure kind of thing on bearish side. But if it sweeps, that is not a good thing, because then you will see Nifty will also support the price and it will sweep and move in upside, because that's a short term low here. I'm bullish. What's your view? Yeah, right now I can smell that we are going for this buy side liquidity, and we have some buy side here. Definitely. Price is at all time highs today. But if you see, we are not getting any good kind of entries on bullish side. Okay. And I don't want to go long at this premium level. Okay. So I see some relative equal highs. My eyes are very getting attracted to this buy side liquidity here and this buy side liquidity here. But I don't want to trade longs right here. If I would have get any entry here for long, I would have pressed my buttons right here. Okay, right here I would have pressed my buttons. But there was no entry. So yeah, it is of no use. I'll just stay quiet and watch the market, sit calmly, read the price. That's it. Don't want to press any buttons right here. Okay, yeah, good morning to everyone. A very good morning. attack this buy side liquidity, and now going for this buy side liquidity. Are we in trade? No. I don't know if you are doing it on, if you are trading long or not, but I am not interested in longs around this place. No valid setup for me. If anyone traded longs, let me know in the chat. Okay, if you are in a long position, or if you are trading any long right now, you took any trade, it went into favor, let me know. And please like the stream करो यार, stream को फटाफट like करो. Eighteen people are watching, so please, I need at least 15 likes, so YouTube boosts the videos or the live streams, which gets more like. So this is Bank Nifty Index Futures Chart September 2024 contract. I'm not in streaming Nasdaq because I am busy at that time, because I am most probably uh, out of my home. Okay, but I'm still active, and like I am trading, but not from my home, or I'm just little busy at that time, so that's why I avoid live stream, because if I come live, okay, I need a proper setup, my PC and all, so that's not possible. Attacked the buy side again, this one. So yesterday ICT told a beautiful uh, like I didn't know about that how to trail stop loss above or below buy side or sell side liquidity. Okay, what is this? This is previous day high, Wednesday high. Now if you are still in long position and you want to trade for if you are bullish and if you want to hold your trades for more bigger profits, what you can do is mark this one. When price will make any fair value gap here, and when price will trade above it, just place your stop loss at this fair value gap, and then just do it whenever a high gets broken. Whenever a high gets broken, just place your stop loss here. That's a dynamic trailing stop loss. Okay, that's the best way you can do it. And if you get stopped, you get stopped. That's it. Like, let me show you some examples. These are the relative equal highs. When market made a swing high here, which is the fair value gap here. The fair value gap is right here. If anyone is in long, then I'm talking about that. You can trail stop loss here. When again market made a high, is there any fair value gap? No, you can't trail your stop loss right there. Then you have to wait for any high. When market made this high, then what you can do is you can place your stop loss right here, and you will get a beautiful exit, dynamic stop loss exit right here. Okay, that's beautiful, isn't? See, right now you don't have to place your stop loss here. you have to wait for the price to come and make a high, proper swing high. When a swing high will form, then you have to put your stop loss below this fairly gap. Like right here, if you see, a proper swing high was formed and market came below. Your partial would have exited here, or your full TP would have exited right here. Okay. When price is heavy, it will not give you chance to cut your positions. Okay, like for example, if you see this was the high, market made this swing high, you can place your stop loss right here. That is your trailing stop loss here. Then you can write this one here. Right now you don't have to trail, your trailing stop loss is right here. You have to wait for a swing high to form. Bro, see, just on trading view, search bank nifty U2024. In this type of bank nifty index future chart, if you toggle here, okay, you can toggle here and you will get the bank nifty index future September 2024. Okay, that's the code, bank nifty U2024. Just search on trading view and you will get it. My view on 2024 mentorship, I think it's a very good mentorship about relatively equal highs and how price draws towards them, and also using new day opening apps, new week opening apps. ICT talked a lot about new day opening apps, new week opening apps. So yeah, 2024 in my opinion is a very good mentorship. I like that. Sorry. What's the orange box referring to? So the orange box is the daily volume balance, and this wick, that's a premium wick here, and that's including the volume balance. So this is the orange box here. We attack the buy side liquidity. We have this relatively equal highs, clean liquidity here. Now let's see. This is now inversion fairly gap. I am using trading view because like then have very glitches when a new contract starts. Okay, so that's why I'm avoiding done, using done or any broker chart. I'm just using trading view. Yes, we have upcoming macro here, 10:05 to 10:25. If I can get anything on this macro, I'll definitely tell you. As you see here, Nifty, if I was trading Nifty, this was the trade as I marked in the stream previously, then yeah, this was a trade, and -2 is looking easy to me, or at least this is right now it is in silver bullet zone. A retracement is expected. Okay, a retracement is expected. Let's see. Go to the 5-minute chart. If you see on even 5-minute chart, we only have this PC here. Right now an IRL to ERL can be seen. Okay, but isn't it at very premium level? It is at very premium level. Okay, few things I have to modify is I will go to the daily chart. I'll mark the volume balance and not the wick now. Okay, not the wick now, because we are trading inside the wick, and I'll just care about the VI now. This is the high, low of the wick, sorry, low of the volume balance. That's the high of the volume balance. That is the C of the volume balance. Okay, what was this buy side liquidity? This was Wednesday high. Sorry. So Wednesday high here. Okay, so I'm just coming in 1-2 minutes. Okay, uh, in this macro I think we'll attack the buy side here and then reach for the C level. Okay, possible. If we get any setup too long in this macro, I'll definitely look for that also. Okay, but let's see. Okay, just coming in 1 or 2 minutes. macro has been started. We already have but a nice run before the macro, so not any huge expectation with this macro. We just have an immediate rebalance here on 15-minute chart. If you see, that's immediate rebalance and then the reaction. Okay, the buy side still left. Okay, this is the previous day high. It is holding the price for right now. Nifty is also going into little consolidation mode, but it will not remain sideways. Okay, I'm expecting a run. Okay, this is the low of this volume balance. Here it got rejected. Here it got rejected. Do we have sell side liquidity? If you see, all these are the low resistance liquidity. Only this has been this short term low has been swept here. Except that each swing is a failure swing. Okay, and this new day opening gap also. Both the indices are on steroids. No idea why market moving like that. I'm waiting for sell setup. Put link in Dr. Metric Discord. It will be helpful for me. Link? Link? What is like? Like YouTube live link. Okay, live link. Yes, I try to share them in his Discord also. So we got a little SMT here. Okay. In my eyes, this SMT is nothing, just relatively equal lows. We will have reclaim fair value gap here and inversion here. 5-minute ERL is still left. Okay, so this is the 5-minute minor buy side liquidity here. That's the inversion. We also have a reclaimed one, a fair value gap here. If you go and mark that, this is a reclaimed one. You can use that also. You can mark that one also, inversion also. Both things are helpful. As you can see, that's a silver bullet here. We have not yet okay, we closed above it. We closed above the minus 1.5, but this is not a good displacement closing. But yeah, let's see. That is, so that yellow box is the volume balance. Okay, discounted volume balance. This is your reclaimed fair value gap. Blue box, this box is a reclaimed fair value gap. We not yet closed inside that. Okay, we are, wicks are doing the damage, bodies are just closing above it. Here we have a volume balance again, that's with down close candles. Like for volume balance, there are no bearish or bullish volume balance, they are just volume balance, and you have to use them according to whatever you are seeing in the price. Okay, so new H1 has opened at this candle. Okay, this up close candle, new H1 has been opened here. Again, it opened in the volume balance, traded the low of the volume balance. Let's see how it goes. So I didn't had huge expectation with this macro, because we already mm, uh, were very volatile before the macro. Okay, if before macro we get little bit of consolidation, then the macros are usually better, okay, to trade. But this one is not yet, and this has nothing given us nothing right now. I think we do have a daily SMT. That's the Wednesday high. So we have a previous day low SMT on Bank Nifty and Nifty. If I see any bearish change in delivery, I'll be interested in the market, because macros are usually, when macro doesn't give you a continuation uh, trend trade, then be ready, it is going to serve you a deep retracement or reversal. Okay, this SMT is not invalid. You see the candle, but the problem with this candle is it has no upside wicks. It has no upside wicks. If this candle was to be formed on Nasdaq, it would have definitely traded in upside firstly, then the downside. Go to the 15-minute chart. If in on 15-minute chart we have this immediate rebalance here, but we also have a BC here, but I don't think so that BC is very powerful according to me. I don't think so that even from this BC, if it comes here, IRL to ERL possible. No, I don't think so. I have no expectation like that. If it starts to fall, I'll target this low, and then this, all this lows. Okay, I'll be not interested too long. Lows are getting attacked here. Okay, these are the sell side liquidity. We again just with a tick tapped into this 1 minute inversion. That's the last CB here, and last CB turned into inversion. This is the minor sell side liquidity. That's the buy side liquidity. Am I bearish right now? No, I don't. I'm not bearish. I'm waiting for the price to be bearish, but I'm right now I'm not bearish. This, you see this CB, this CB is important CB for me. Okay, and but we have, since we have this 3 minute BC here, that's why I'm not interested too long. I know price is very heavy in upside. We have this relatively equal highs. It is just attracting some sellers. Okay, it is just attracting some sellers. People will short, and it will just move from this 3 minute BC to this buy side liquidity. I don't want to short right now. We have this new day opening gap. I'll be interested to short below the new day opening gap. We will be still in premium na. This is the opening, this is the new day opening gap. If I short from here, we'll still be in premium. Right now above this new day opening gap, I don't want to trade for shorts. What I can do is I can trade for long to attack this buy side liquidity. Okay, but for that also I need a nice setup. Okay, and that setup should come from this is the 1 minute inversion fairly gap. We have this high of this 3 minute what do we say, 3 minute BC. Okay, I can mark that with a one line. Okay, I'm just marking it with one line. So this blue line, it is the 3 minute bullish fair value gap. Also removing this macro time. Hello Leo, yes, we do have Telegram group. You can find the link on, oh, I've removed that from disclaimer. Let just wait. I'm just dropping the link on chat and pinning it. So I pinned the Telegram, and my Discord is right now not very active. Okay, I just do some live sessions on Discord. But yeah, you can find my Discord link on Telegram. Okay. What makes you think today first M5 BC will not be able to hold? Kindly explain. Okay. See, first of all, if we trade below the new day opening gap, and I'll be interested to see this new day opening gap 29 August, today's new day opening gap to be traded, and then this new week opening gap, and maybe I don't know if it will attack or this or not, but at least from this new day opening gap to today's new day opening gap I can short. That is my plan. Okay, we have the sell side, this low resistance liquidity here, the sell side liquidity here. That's the main reason I am thinking that this 15-minute fair value gap should not hold the price. Okay, but if you see correctly now, then I can be wrong here. Okay, because I can only smell this sell side liquidity as the good relatively equal lows sell side liquidity which can attract the price, because we have a sell side delivery of this new day opening gap still pending. Okay, so these are the two things why, that's the main reason I want to short the market. I want to be bearish. Okay, we have this new week opening gap sell side delivery still pending. I know all these things, but for all this thing to happen we need some clean buy side liquidity to be swept. Okay, so right now this short term high, this relative equal highs were swept here, attacked here. So that's why I want to short the market, but I see some buy side liquidity still left here. Okay, this buy side liquidity, I don't know if it will be remain protected or I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea for that. I have no idea. I will not short till we come below this new day opening gap. Okay, I know I will get aggressive entry at this new day opening gap to short. Okay, I will short from there. I'm not interested to take short from this CB. I'm not interested to take short from any inversions here. I'm not interested. You see this how we reacted of this volume balance. So keep marking all this PDRs on your charts. It will be helpful for you. Also, don't get excited from this dildo type of candles. Okay, don't get excited. If it's coming from a random area, don't get excited. Is it a random area? Yes, for me. Can we go upside from here now? Okay, I'm not interested. Okay, I'll be not interested because I want to see longs coming from at least this CB. Sorry, yeah, this BC, or at least from this blue line. What is this? This blue line is 3-minute bullish fair value gap. That's the last bullish fair value gap. I want to see price go bullish from there. Then maybe I can take the long and attack this one. Yes, I am considering the 1-minute inversion because of its overlapping with another PDRN and it is above the new day opening gap. Okay, if it goes from here only, then yes, it we can't we can't do anything. Okay, it just went. I can say that yeah, it went from this year, but I can't do anything. These are the relatively equal highs here. No, I'm not a mentee of Dr. Matrix, but he's my good friend. I'm also dropping the Discord link on chat. Okay, bro. I also get feelings. Okay, I also get feelings, but I think on trading price I don't get that feeling. But when I'm in a trade, I definitely get a lot of feelings. But I have found a way to conquer that. Okay, how? If I take one trade. Okay, if I take just one trade, uh, doesn't matter if it goes in favor or not. Okay, if I get stopped, I get stopped. Okay, if I win, I get win. That's it. I don't think anything apart from that. And after that winning or losing, if the stop loss is of my usual risk is around, if just imagine if my usual risk is around for 30 to 40 points on Bank Nifty, and if I get stopped for 15 to 20 points, I still have plenty of space left for me to scalp. Okay, I can reduce my size and I can trade with that 50% of the risk. Okay, so maybe if I get stopped for 20 points risk, then I still have 15 points risk or 10 points risk still left for today. So I can press again the button, and even if I lose that trade also, that's two losing trades for me, which means 30 points minus for me. Okay, so if 30 points minus for me for the day, it's approximately, if you see, uh, then it is very normal. Like if I take a if I take a win trade, then it is around 50 plus points. Okay, so even if it 50 plus 50 60 points, then it is 2 hour for me. Okay, so basically risking 1%, taking 2% profits, that's it. So when you trade like that, the you can conquer your emotions. Okay, you will not get afraid of the trades. Okay, you will not get afraid of punching your orders. So that is the important thing. Okay, that is the only time when I have to uh, when I have to fight with my emotions. Okay, but I'm learning it. I'm giving it time. Okay, right now, uh, the best thing. Okay, not right now, but in the beginning when I used to trade with big quantities, when I was a noob. Okay, but still I was trading with big quantities, not very huge, but it was huge for me. So when I was trading with huge quantity without proper knowledge, okay, and then when I learned about this concepts, ICT and all, so I reduced my capital to only 10k, okay, 10 to 15k around, and I used to trade only one lot. Okay, because of one lot, in one lot, if you have 10 or 15k capital, you cannot risk more than 4 500 rupees per day. Okay, so I was risking 200 300 rupees per trade, and two trades two trades max a day. And if you get a profit in first trade, then just stop trading, kill switch your system. That thing helped me a lot. Okay, that thing helped me a lot. And today also, if I trade with 10 15 lots, I just go all in just one order. Okay, I just press my buttons. If I want to take 10 lots, I just go with 10 lots at a uh, single order, single punching order. Okay, if I have to take partials, then usually I avoid taking partials. I just go with my -2 standard deviation as target and take my full target that there. Okay, so I avoid taking partials. Partials are for if I have any huge buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity left, but -2 is above or below that. Okay, if for example, this is the buy side liquidity, and if I mark any standard deviation and -2 is coming around this area, I'll take the partials here and just let the runners go for this buy side liquidity. If the -2 is above it, I'll take full profit at here. This is how I trade and manage my trades. Okay, right now I'm not trading actively on Indian markets. I just have 10k capital on my demat, which I deposited yesterday only to have some fun, to gamble here and there. Not gamble, but yeah, it is gamble, but with my proper system, with my proper A plus setups only. So it is not gambling, but it is the way how I will trade. Okay. if you are opening charts in morning, how will you determine a bias? Can you show clearly, please? Okay. So firstly, most people do that, they open daily chart, and they on daily chart they try to figure out the bias. Okay, I don't open daily chart, I open hourly chart. Okay, let me save it firstly. I'm removing everything. So for example, this was the daily this was the hourly chart. This was a 9:15 open here. So what I saw today and what was my bias today was, I shared on Telegram also, that I want to see any liquidity to be hunted. Okay, so my bias was that market should go for delivering the new week opening up sell side delivery and attacking this sell side liquidity from this fair value gap. I had this expectation, but my bias was wrong here. Okay, my bias was wrong here. Why was my bias wrong here? Maybe because we are in a consolidation. I'm not expecting anything like boom. No, I'm not expecting it. What can happen here is, here it can reject from the rejection block, or it can take the buy side liquid, again it will come down. So we're in a consolidation right now. This is possible. Okay, so this is, maybe that's why I proved wrong today, and eventually we will attack the sell side liquidity. If you go on your chart and if you see, why are this relative equal lows still, market is still looking to keep that open. Okay, why are this relative equal lows still not taken? Because market is preparing for something huge. Okay, can it go to all-time highs for me? I don't know. Okay, I don't care. But for bias, today's bias was my to attack the sell side liquidity. Market went against me. Did I trade it? No. That's it. And if you want to know how to frame bias and all, then you just have to see hourly order flow. Okay, the hourly order flow is bullish. The hourly order flow is bullish right now. Okay, if you see, price is coming from there, so hourly overall hourly order flow is bullish. So you have to most probably look for bullish trades, but I wanted to see a reversal from here. Okay, I wanted to see not reversal, but at least the sell side to be attacked. Okay, because of this, because these are the relative equal lows, because of the new week opening gap sell side delivery pending. So I wanted to see attack on the sell side liquidity. And how I determine that yes, this is the right place. So if you go onto your chart, mark the lowest low here. We are in a silver bullet zone. So from the silver bullet zone, attack on sell side is like it is a good thing to anticipate. Okay, it is a good thing to anticipate. One more thing here is uh, we had this daily, okay, volume balance. So from this daily volume balance, we were reacting. Okay, we were having some reactions to go for to attack some sell side liquidity. That's why I framed my bias to short the market, but it didn't work. Fuck man, is it auto saving? No, load layout. So I usually frame my bias with hourly chart, okay, and hourly order flow and all. It is a big topic, bro. It is a very big topic. You need a lot of concepts to blend in for bias. Actually, I was so much active on Twitter and games, but that was so much time. Yeah, Twitter is a little time consuming, but you can manage that. Okay, you can manage that. Like I just post my stuff on Twitter, and I I just don't get involved a lot. I don't get involved in others posts or other executions and all a lot. Okay, I just post my stuff and I just be inactive. Okay, Nas is love. Indian market sucks sometime. Indian market sucks a lot of time. Okay, not sometime, a lot of time. Are you Indian ICT? No, bro. I just trade ICT concepts on Indian markets. That's it. what happened at 10 a.m. macro. Okay, so at 10 a.m. macro, if you see, so there is a characteristic of macro. I talked about that on my Telegram also, that when you have a trending day, macros usually give retracements, or deep retracements or reversals. So today on this macro 10:05 to 10:25, if you see, go and mark in your chart, what you can get is this retracement to this 1 minute inversion fair value gap. But I expected a deep retracement into this last value gap, or at least this blue line. What is this blue line? 3 minute bullish fair value gap. Sometimes we get SMT without hunting buy side, like here we have SMT. Where do we have SMT? Oh, you are talking about this. Bro, see, you don't have to look for SMTs, okay, everywhere. You have to look for SMTs at right places, at very right places. Because if I consider the SMT here, why I should not consider the SMT here? Because we have this relative equal highs here. So that's why we have this magnet relative equal highs on Nifty also. It is telling me to avoid shorting the market right now. If this is a valid SMT, it will come below the new day opening gap, and I can short from there. Okay, understood? Because sometimes this SMT is nothing but just a six-star approach. What is the six-star approach? When we have this type of huge SMT, which has the bearish, see, Nifty was very strong till yesterday, but then it went to weaker side. Okay, then it got weak. Bank Nifty was very weak, but it is now showing some strength. It is now showing some strength. So the market are not in sync. Here we are trading inside the 3 minute inversion, sorry, 3 minute bullish value gap. So Bank Nifty is not strong, Nifty is weak. What Nifty can do is, Nifty can again come to its real power. Okay, then we will see all those SMTs getting violated. All those SMTs getting violated. Understood? So you don't have to look for every SMTs. See how the low of this volume balance rejected the price here. See, according to ICT, देखो ICT ये बोलता है कि okay, so usually the you can use new day opening apps for 5 days and new week opening apps for 5 weeks according to ICT. I also I like to use that on Nasdaq. Okay, but in here I don't usually love old new day opening app, new week opening apps. But if we are uh, near that, then yes, I use them. Yes भाई, मैं हिंदी में भी स्ट्रीम कर सकता हूँ. ओके, बट लाइक आई विल ट्राई टू दोनों में मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलते रहूँ, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे दे डोंट नो हिंदी लैंग्वेज. ओके, लाइक दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी लैंग्वेज, बट नो इश्यूज, आई कैन डू ऑन बोथ. सो अभी तक इसने इस 3 मिनट के सीबी को टच नहीं किया, बट इट गेव अ रिएक्शन फ्रॉम दिस 1 मिनट इन्वर्जन. So guys, we have 31 people watching, so please everyone like the stream. And जो भी यहाँ पे like new है stream पे, those who are new into the stream, so guys, basically here I am Pixel. Okay, my uh, my real name is Ujjwal. Okay, and I trade ICT concepts in Indian markets. If you are new here, okay, please stay in the stream for some time and you will definitely know what I'm doing here. If you are coming here to get some call tip and uh, any kind of tip here, then yes, you can go. I don't provide any kind of tip here. I don't say anything like buy call buy put. No, I'm not interested in that. But I can tell you where the market is going, how a market will go, how you should watch the price. Okay, I can tell you that thing. If someone asks in Hindi, answers in Hindi. If in English, go English. Yes, yes, I'm still doing that. So if I get any questions in Hindi, I go with Hindi, because I think English is like English is very common language to understand in live stream, that even a foreigner can come to my stream and he will not get bored. But in Hindi, it is little difficult because we get people from all over India, na? Subtitle, I don't know how to turn on subtitles on live stream. I don't know if it is available or not. Actually, Nifty last minute, there we have some people that have marked it. Okay. Yes, I know a lot of people who trade ICT concepts are from South because of Dr. Matrix. I know that. I know that. So that 3 minute CB, sorry, BC, we have this 5 minute last inversion here. This 1 minute and also 5 minute also. So market tapped into it with a tick here. Okay, it is I don't know if this 3 minute CB will act as a breakaway gap or not, but we do have SMT at lows. Okay, this was the inversion. This two consecutive up close candles is your breaker block. Right now it is a order block, but if you are bullish, you should anticipate this as a breaker. Okay, the sensitive part will be this candle and the whole breaker will be these two up close candles. We also inverse the 3 minute inversion here, sorry, 3 minute CB here. Like if it has to go bullish, it should start the run here. Okay, with speed. Okay, with speed. Because that's the 3 minute inversion. If you go on 3 minute chart, you see that's the inversion fairly gap. Market closed above it. We have a breaker. We are anticipating a breaker here, and price traded into this inversion. It should boom. Okay. This is what will be this inversion here. This will be buying in the discount of the breaker. I know that this 3 minute is still left, but as I can see here, I can spot some inversions and all. Maybe that can remain as a breakaway gap. If I go to the 15-minute chart, market is sweeping all 15-minute lows. Okay, that's the 15-minute breaker also, this green candle. So let's see here. So everything is looking good here. We do have SMT at lows. That's the breaker, and also we have this. Let me mark it. So market closed below this CB. It should instantly go up. If it doesn't, that's a wrong sign. Okay, it should instantly go up. You see, we have this BC here, this BC here. Market closed below both the BCs. This candle should go in upside with speed if it wants to attack this buy side liquidity. Else we will see this last value gap getting traded. But right now I want to see a bullish move. I can be proved wrong here. It can touch this inversion and go up. Possibilities are there. But yeah, I don't want to see this now be traded. Okay, I want to see upside move from here only. That's the order block. Okay, that's the sensitive part of the order block. This is the order block. This is the reaction of the order block. I wanted to see this candle go bullish heavily, but it has not yet done that. 2024 2022 मेंटरशिप के साथ कमेंट्री भी देखना होगा या वो अलग से देखो भाई? साथ में देखो, लाइन से देखो, उसमें वीडियो सारे लाइन से ही है. Dr. Matrix is planning to teach his new mentorship for free. He has all the videos for free only, no? I don't think so he has anything paid. I'm your Padosi, Chhattisgarh from Odisha. Oh, nice. What's your plans for future? Full-time trader or job or business? Yes, I definitely have to do some businesses. Okay, but with the with full-time trading also. So here it disrespected. Okay, it disrespected this inversion. It is not inversion now. It is now coming for this 3-minute CB. See how even your all A plus setups will fail if you have got the wrong narrative. Then people usually ask me that, bro, why my setup didn't work? Because you are missing out some narrative. Okay, even I missed out it here. I got proved wrong here. No issues with that. Okay, no issues with that. But you definitely need strong narrative. You have to work on narrative more than this low time frame executions. You have to understand where the price is going for. Remember, these are the low resistance liquidity run here. Okay, there are these highs which will eventually be taken out. I'm removing this one now. My focus draws to this one. This is the last value gap. And also the time is now out of our hands. Okay, because usually after morning volatility, what market does is consolidation. That's it. Okay, I don't trade futures. Okay, I trade options. I don't trade futures. I just analyze futures chart and press my buttons on options. Hello Manish, welcome to the stream. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, then please press that subscribe button. I see you all have liked my stream. Okay, thank you for that. So if I have to spot that is market going to move or it will consolidate, then what I can do is I can measure few things like it is 0.59% move only, 0.58% move for today, open, low, high. The job to attack previous day high is done. For Tuesday high, I don't know it will go or not, but the Wednesday high is done. Okay. Now, if you want to go long, then it will take time for market. It is resting. It is in a resting period right now. Okay. And for Indian markets, if I say, then if you are beginner or if you are still learning in the process of learning, I suggest to use breaker blocks as entry patterns, because if you start using breakers, you will avoid 90% of your losing trades. If you want to learn using inversions, then you have to be very specific. See how we got proved wrong here. But if I would have stick to this breaker only, then I would have avoided a losing trade. I would have avoided a losing plan. Okay. So you can also avoid losing plans, losing trades by using breakers. Breakers are the last, like they give the most best confirmation for your trades. If it would have traded above it, retested a unicorn here, boom, that's the trade you want to do. And in option buying, you need speed and price volatility that comes above or below the breaker. Okay, was there any breaker here as a bearish breaker? Then I can mark the bearish breaker as, see, if I mark this candle, it will be not like, yeah, this is a breaker, I can consider this as breaker, but this is not a very high probability breaker. Okay, although we have a small stop hunt here, but since it is below this relative equal highs, it is not a very high probability breaker for me. Okay, market closes below it, trades to it, trades to the upper quadrant of the breaker, comes below it, again trades to the breaker. This is not what you expect from a breaker. What do you expect from a breaker is speed and volatility. Okay, you want to see just it touch it just touch the breaker and boom, you expect that. Okay, you don't expect this kind of price action from a breaker. What was your mitigation block here? Let me share. You can mark this up close candle as your mitigation block. See this one, how price when closed below it is not able to close above the mitigation block. So this is a mitigation block for you, and that's the real mitigation block. Okay, so we are now trading for the new day opening gap. If we are able to trade below new day opening gap, I'll short the market. Right here I was not interested to short. Right here also I'm not interested to short. I want to see trading below this new day opening gap. What it can do is, if it comes below, closes below, again if it comes to this high, I want to see any order block formation, or if it goes for this one, then this kind of price action I'm expecting. On hourly chart we do have inversion here. Okay, we do have this inversion. That's a bullish inversion. Okay, but I'll just keep that in mind. I'll not keep that in chart. I don't need that. So why I use future chart is because I find it more accurate according to the options. Okay, options move like future chart. They are very similar, so that's why. But when sometimes spot chart moves but option doesn't moves, I used to face that difficulty a lot in beginning. So I switched to trading. Analyzing futures chart only. That's the reaction from new day opening app. So I'm watching this order block here. That's a bearish order block. So this was the last value gap on 1 minute chart, Nifty, and we are reacting off of it. Okay, so that's a 3 minute CB also here. Okay, I always move around 1 and 3 minute because sometimes you miss few things on 1 minute, but it they are there on 3 minute chart. So I like to use 3 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute also sometimes, but not very. Like for reading price, I don't use 5 minute chart blending with 1 minute, but I do blend 1 minute and 3 minute charts. They are very useful. Yes, this macro is coming. Okay, and since last macro was a little bit of consolidation, chop chop, this consolidation may move. Let's see. You see this low, this is a CB na, this blue box is a CB. This low when starts to hold the price, that is your change in state of delivery. I want to, if it wants to go bullish, this low should start holding the price. This CE should hold the price. See, this high should hold the price. So right now, as I can spot here, this is the swing high. That's the swing low. We had a last value gap here, which has been violated now, and I don't know if it will work as an inversion or not, because there are huge volume balances here. Okay, so I'm not very sure about that because of the volume balance, because sometimes volume imbalances can give injections here and there, and then after some time it starts the real move. But yeah, we do have this CB which got failed, and it may act as inversion. But when I will consider it, when price will close above inside this box and starts to hold the price from this low of this 3-minute CB. I want to say this low of this 3-minute CB holding the price. Okay, come, see, it rejected here. I don't want to see rejection. It should close above and take support from here. Price violated M15 BC. Where's the M15 BC? On Nifty. Nifty has this M15 BC. It is still holding on. Okay, there is nothing wrong. It can close, but it is, see, it is, see the wicks. It is holding from the C. So we have to wait. We cannot do anything right here. If your setup is forming for any side, you can definitely press the buttons. Don't wait for anything like if he says then I'll go for it. No, it's up to you. It's your analysis, it's your money. Okay, don't bet it because someone is saying anything. Okay, right now what I can all see is this rejections from this CB, nothing else. Can we consider 1053 M1 candle as breaker? Yes, you can. When it will close above it, then you can. That orange box is a daily volume balance. Okay, that's the daily volume balance. So price closed above the C level. Can you use the breaker? Let me mark it firstly. We got an immediate rebalance here. wait for the closing. Okay, wait for the closing. It is not yet confirmed. We have the CB still holding the price. That's the CB. You have CB, you have this last value gap here. Okay, you have to wait. Like for the most confirmational entry, you have to wait because the CB is still holding the prices. We have the volume balance here, so that's why candle closures inside the fair value gap is acceptable because of the volume balance. But if you are bullish, if you have anything planned here, then definitely go ahead, press the buttons. Not because I am saying that, but because you are anticipating anything. What I like is that it is trying to show some strength. It is trying to show support from even the CBs in C level. Okay, you have no fair value gap right here. Okay, no fair value gap, only one order block here. Nifty is starting to show some strength. Can we say we are stuck between new week opening and daily opening spot chart? Please check once. Maybe. Okay, we'll check it. We'll check it. This is the premium of the CB. Okay, above C, we are in a premium of CB. This candle closes below, it opened above. What do you have here? You have a volume imbalance. You have a kind of volume imbalance here. Like on day in futures daily chart, if you see, we have this Monday, Friday new week opening up. This VI is basically new week opening up, and yeah, we have this order block here. Basically, if you go and mark it, then this is a new week opening up, and here is also a new week opening up. I hope I'm not wrong. I have to go on 15-minute chart and correct it. Okay, yes, we do have this new week opening up. That's the new week opening up. Low. Okay. What's the date of this new week opening up? It's 5 August. And if you see here, we traded to this new week opening up low and rejected here. So basically price is stuck between this new week opening up and this new week opening up. You see the new week opening up low 5 August and this new week opening up high. So price is stuck between both of them. And that's the consolidation inside that. So see, I don't use spot chart now, but yeah, you can definitely go ahead and mark that things and see how price is reacting to those levels. Beautifully, you can analyze that one. Okay, that's the volume balance here. No candle have been traded to the volume balance. It has just op opened inside that. Now this opened below that. It will trade that. Then I have to see how is it reacting. I think we are done for the day. Like I'm not expecting any nice run now. We have already done the morning volatility move. Now it will just waste our time. I think if we have to check it, then let's move on to the premiums chart so that we can get any idea of what what is still left. Okay, this is a call chart. Okay, what I'm able to see here is market take out this short term high here. This was the inefficient area and market is rejecting of it. So we had this new week opening gap. Market traded to the new week opening gap and for our CB here on 15-minute chart we rejected from there after taking out this high. Do we have potential to go for all those highs? I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, one thing I know is that if we want to trade for those highs, we have to go above this 456 456 rupees. We have to trade above this, then only we can long. Now I think it is done. Call side is done here. It is looking like. Just watch this box. Okay, that's a 15-minute inversion here, but it may fail. Okay, it may fail. Let's go to the put chart. It will be more helpful. So put chart, definitely there is some place. If you see in 1 hour chart we have this CB here. So there are very high chances that market can trade for this CB, but some external liquidity should be taken out. So maybe something like this and then this kind of. Here it will come here, move in upside, maybe to the new week opening gap again, and then on expiry date will expire. Let's see. So when it will fall, it will go up. That up move will be this up move. When it will fall, that will be the up move. Then when it will be going upside, that will be the downside move here. What will be the first move? When it will come down, it will go in upside direction like this. Okay, let's see. I don't know, man. I don't know. But yeah, what I can spot on option chart is that put option has that relative equal low. Okay, these are the relative equal lows. That's the IRL. But we do have new day opening gap here. But I don't think so. It will just boom. I'm no like I will not place any trades like that. It should take this low, then this should go. Then that will be good thing for me. That's the only possibility I can spot on put chart. That's it. because the short term high here, if you see, has been attacked on call chart. Okay, if it wanted to go higher na, then it would have not attacked this low, sorry, this high. It would have made a relative equal highs and displaced lower and then move to attack that, but nothing like that happened here. So call will fall, put has to go in upside, but after taking this one. Now let's move here. So breaker is still holding the price. If you see that candles are not able to close below the breaker, it can close, no issues with that. It is not a very strong breaker. First of all, if you want to know about high probability conditions, you should not have a lot of new day opening gap, new week opening gap above you, below you. Okay, first of all, that thing is very important. You don't need to have that things on your chart. When you don't have a lot of new day opening gaps, new week opening gaps above or below you, that's a high probability condition. When you have a lot of this type of stuff in your chart, it is a low probability condition. That's it. That's it. Because when you will have uh, very very low new week opening gap and new day opening gap in your charts, okay, that is mostly when the price is trending. Right now we are in consolidation. We are not in trending market. We are in consolidation. I hope you got it. That's the easiest way you can spot that. Easiest way. Okay. So Nifty is showing little strength here. Okay. It has taken those short term high here. Nifty is behaving like yes, okay. If you see on ES chart, there are lots of equal highs, equal lows, low volume, and NQ has good volume and all. Yeah, Nifty is our ES. So today also no move in macro because the move was already done before the macro. Most of you have weird names, bro. Most of you. Like I don't know why you guys. There's a guy. His name is 5050. I'm sorry for laughing, but yeah, it sounds very funny. Okay, till it is consolidating, let's just watch Nasdaq. Okay, yesterday was Nvidia news. Okay, damn, we have huge gap down, huge gap down. Today it will be fun to trade because we have a nice new day opening gap. Damn, the chart looking so messy, na. But I don't like to remove new week opening gaps because drawing it again are very stressful. Oh fuck, this is Banknifty chart. So on daily chart, if you see ES, sorry, NQ, NQ was had small range days, continuation of small range days till here. So I'm expecting a little large range days now. Okay. one thing is for sure that there is this inversion that I will be drawing towards. My eyes will go to this inversion. To short the market, I am bearish. Okay, I am bearish. I want to go to attack this one. On hourly chart, if you see, we do have clean highs, but definitely we will go to attack that after some more sell side, I think. Okay, inside this inversion, this orange box, you see this low inside this BC, that is my draw. This sell side liquidity is my draw. I'm gonna mark today's new day opening app. So guys, I'm getting a call, okay, from my home. So just wait for a few minutes. Okay, so it's done. So guys, I think I'm done for the stream. Okay, I don't think any good moves will come uh, till the next H4. Okay, next H4 will start from 115, and to short the market I will look to short below the new day opening gap. Okay, for going long, uh, like my bias is for short, so I'll most probably avoid longs. It can go, then I'll just let it go, but for short I can short below new day opening gap, attacking this sell side, targeting this new day opening gap, this imbalance. To go long from here, okay, it is little difficult for me. Okay, it is little difficult for me. It can go, I'm not saying like that, but uh not easy to trade for me, because it's like I'm chasing the price. It make me feel like I'm chasing the price. Okay, makes me that feeling that okay, there's the buy side liquidity, I'm chasing the price because it's bullish. No, I don't want that. I go with my plan. So my plan is to short. I'll short below new day opening F if I get the opportunity. I'll be sharing that on new day, sorry, in Telegram if I get any good thing to look for. And till 12 it is the lunch hour. Okay, market just consolidates, makes liquidity, but it is consolidating from 10 a.m. only. If you see 10 a.m. made a high, consolidation. Morning volatility is good to trade, but if you don't have any setup and that morning volatility period, then most probably you are done for the day. Okay, because yesterday, even yesterday, if you see, the market just consolidated. It gave this down move in after 2 p.m. and yes, after 2 p.m. you definitely have some kind of momentum because of the block deal macro. Okay, in that block deal macro you definitely expect some kind of momentum and you get that momentum. So yeah, so let's just wait or for the next H4 opening. Okay, I am closing the stream. I have this buy side, all these things I will be on my chart. I'll be sharing that updates on my Telegram. Okay, so have a great day guys, and goodbye.